If you want to silence your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, we have three ways to do so. The first method is to go to Settings, scroll down until you find Sounds and Haptics, and over here we have the silent mode, which can be easily enabled or disabled just by tapping on this switcher. The second method is to use the control center. Over here you might be able to find this bell button, which allows you to enable the silent mode quite easily and silence your iPhone. And the third method is to use the action button, which is of course over here on the left side. By default, the action button is used to enable the silent mode. So we can press and hold this action button in order to toggle the silent mode, so you can silence our iPhone like this. And in case it's not for the silent mode, if it doesn't turn on or off the silent mode, then of course we can open settings, choose action button, and over here we can make sure that the silent mode is selected. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.